Hi, is my name Linnea, and do I want to make a brown butter banana bread? Yes. Yes, I do. Was I planning on making a video today? No, I absolutely wasn't, but I have two bananas, two that need to be consumed in some way. And I want to make some brown butter banana bread, so let's go. Alright, I need 3/4 cup of sugar, a 1/2 cup of sour cream, of which I'm not going to measure. And I don't have enough sour cream in this container, so I have to get my other one out. I need a 1/2 stick of butter, which is a 1/4 cup. Softened, but I kind of melted it. I'm gonna do 2 eggs. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Also, if this is your first video of mine, welcome. This is a space where we live in the suburbs and we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient. We garden, we do sourdough, and we do fun recipes. So if that is something you're interested in, consider subscribing. If you're not new here, welcome back. Hope you make this brown butter banana loaf cake. Hope you're interested in it. All right, I'm gonna add 1 cup of flour. I'm gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and like a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This is the pink salt, in case you're wondering why my salt is a weird color. Alright, now I'm going to put this in an 8x8 pan. You can double this recipe and do it in a 9x13 or a 10x15. But it is just the two of us, so this is a nice recipe for just a couple people. Alright, I have the oven preheated to 375. I'm going to bake this for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to check it after 15 and I'll see where we're at. And meanwhile, I'm going to clean up my kitchen and we will make the brown butter topping. Alright, now I have 1/2 stick of butter, or a 1/4 cup of butter. I'm going to heat it in this saucepan until it comes to a boil, and then I'm going to let it kind of turn a very, very, very light shade of brown, because I'm browning the butter. And as soon as it turns the light shade of brown, I'm going to take it off the heat, and then we're going to add in 2 cups of powdered sugar, a tablespoon and a half of milk, and about a teaspoon of vanilla. So that is what I'm currently doing. Okay, this is the very light shade of brown that I'm looking for. I'm not looking to burn the butter. So I took it off the heat. I'm going to add 2 cups of powdered sugar. I mean, icing sugar. Jane. Should I cut a hole bigger than that in this bag? Yep. Will I? Nope. All right, I'm gonna do about a teaspoon and a half of vanilla. The whole thing that's in my bottle. And a tablespoon and a half of milk. And that is the frosting. All right, here is the cake. I poked it with a fork. Love that for me. I just took it out. I'm gonna let it sit here for about 10 minutes and then we'll put the frosting on it while it's still warm, but I don't want it to be hot. So I'll be back in about 10 minutes. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. So I am just going to probably use a spatula. All right, I'm just gonna leave this to cool and we'll either give it a taste tonight or tomorrow, but I mean, I have my bets on tonight. So I'll be back tonight and we'll see if Jonathan likes it. Okay. This is, we actually almost finished this. I said on Friday, I was like, oh yeah, I'll be back on Friday with Jonathan trying it. But then we had some storms with hail, and we got distracted, and then we just started eating it. Is it good? Mm-hmm. It honestly might be one of my favorite desserts that I've made.
I said it kind of tastes like a, what did I say? Like a...
What did you say?
Coffee.
A coffee cake, kind of? I think it's because of the brown...
Coffee and caramel.
Yeah, because it was like brown butter. Yeah. It's really good. Mm-hmm. I would 100% make it again. It was really easy. I probably will make it again.
It's still moist, even after...
It's been 3.5 days, 3-ish days, and it's still moist. I mean, it is almost gone, but yeah. I like it. Mm-hmm. So I will purposely buy bananas to let them kind of go bad so I can make it again. Is that 2 thumbs up? Mm-hmm. What do you rate it out of 10?
Like 9. Everything's really good.
Yeah.
I feel bad for like rating it.
Why? Because not everything could be a 10. That's okay. I mean, I think it's really good, and I'm gonna go finish my piece. So, Jonathan, I'll see you in the next video, probably. Bye!